Imagine walking into work, unsure if you need a manager's permission or which documents to prepare. Frustrating, right? Now, picture a system where every question has a clear answer. This is the power of making policies explicit, a core Kanban principle. Let's use insurance claims as an example. Instead of asking different managers what's required, every claim follows the same visible rules. The assessment starts with a checklist: police report, photos, customer signature, vehicle inspection, all clearly stated, all required. No surprises, no confusion. Everyone knows what's expected every time. When policies are clear and visible, the process moves smoothly. Tasks don't stall, and everyone can focus on delivering quality, not chasing approvals. Making policies explicit brings consistency, clarity, and confidence. Next time you work with your team, ask yourself, are your rules easy to find and easy to follow?